So this is what my hair looks like to start with. I know I look all kinds of crazy, but it's okay because we're about to fix that. So if I'm going to do this hairstyle, I actually like to prep my hair the night before. It just makes it a whole lot quicker and easier the following day if everything's been prepped. What I like to do is part my hair from ear to ear, as you can see me showing you. It doesn't have to be neat, honestly, it's going to get covered up, but if you're somebody that's a bit, you know, OCD about stuff like that, then by all means make it neat. Then for the rest of the hair, as I'm trying to show you here, it's not very clear, my camera wasn't focusing, but you just want to braid it backwards. Again, it's not neat, or maybe just tie your hair backwards, but just keep it out of the way and keep the ends tucked in. And then with the front of your hair, you want to part another line. Again, I tried to show you guys, but it's not very clear. Going along just a thin section and braid that to the side, because this is going to be your leave out. To start with, I just take my extensions and lightly spray them with water. This is just to revitalize the curls. Whatever you do, don't drench the hair, otherwise it will take forever to dry and you'll be walking around with damp hair. Then I just like to follow up with this Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. It's so good, it helps hold and keep the curls in place all day long. Then you just want to take your extensions and clip them onto your hair. I usually use about 4 to 5 individual lines of clip-ins for the back section, and I actually have a tutorial on how I make these clip-ins, so make sure you check it out. I'll probably leave a link in the description box below. And the hair that I use is the Malaysian curly hair from Beauty Forever Hair. Here you can see me unbraiding my leave out, and as you can see, my natural hair now has a similar texture to my extensions, which is what we want so that the real hair and the extensions can blend seamlessly. And then I just add my final clip for the back section. Then it's just a case of blending in my real hair with the extensions. I wanted a bit more volume, so I lightly picked the hair with an afro comb. This is another reason why you shouldn't drench the hair, because this hair is naturally big and full when it's dry. And for the front section, I just take a little bit of water and add that onto my hair, as it's easier to work with when it's damp. Then I follow that up with my Changu leave-in conditioner. I love this stuff. I literally don't do anything to my hair without using this. And then I also add a little bit of gel to help lay the hair down flat, and the gel that I'm using here is the Eco Styler gel. I think this is the olive oil version. Brush the hair in an upwards direction and then tie the hair into a mini ponytail. I added Changu leave-in conditioner and coconut oil to the ends of my hair just to keep them well moisturized, and then I wrapped my hair into a little bun. We're not finished with the bun yet, but I decided to move on to my edges, and again, going in with the Eco Styler gel, I just use that to lay my edges. I'm not really good at doing my edges, guys, so don't judge me. Then you're going to take the final clip in for the front section and just wrap it around the bun and clip it into place. Once that's nice and secured onto your hair, you're going to wrap the extensions around your bun, and the tighter you wrap it around, the smaller the bun, and obviously the looser you wrap it, the bigger the bun, so just use that to guide how big or small you want your bun depending on your preference. I actually had to do this a few times to get it right because I didn't have a mirror directly in front of me, but once I got it right and how I wanted it, this is what it looked like. This is the first way you can do the half up, half down hairstyle. For the second method, you want to part the front section into half and then add 2 individual lines of clip-in extensions, and then just tie your hair up into a ponytail. I took the straight sections of my hair and just wrapped them around the ponytail. Then it's just a case of playing with your hair and placing it where you want it till you get the desired look.